Hi everyone, Owen Lee here for Success Unlimited. Wow, what an incredible time to be in the mortgage industry, huh? Almost the exact opposite from 2020 and 2021. Literally 6 months ago, the average loan officer was selling an interest rate somewhere around 3% or maybe even a little below. And today, as we sit here in May of 2022, they're selling somewhere around 5.5%. The average loan officer. I think I saw bankrate.com the other day was 5.57. That's a 250 basis point approximate increase in 6 months. It's the largest, fastest run up since 1987. So in 2020 and 2021, we had the greatest market since 2003. Generation is considered to be about 20 years. From 2003 to 2020 and 2021, we had the best market in a generation. And now the interest rate run up from 1987 to now is almost 40 years. So in some sense, from a rate increase point of view, the most challenging market in 2 generations. What do we do about it? How do we combat it? You know, and I think at 5.5%, we finally reached a plateau in interest rates where it's definitely having an effect on the purchase market. How do we be successful? Well, here's one thing I would urge all of you to do. Take a look at your technology stack. I have kind of a unique perspective on technology in this industry. I sit on a couple of nationwide committees on technology. I'm very fortunate to be in an investment fund that invests in mortgage technology. And I have a position where I see some of the technology that's being developed right now, and it's fantastic. If you're not regularly employing technology in your business every single day, just as you would do prospecting or calling or talking to borrowers, you're making a mistake. There's tremendous products out there like Total Expert, Sales Boomerang, Mortgage Coach, BombBomb, or you can reach borrowers in new and unique ways that they want to be communicated with. Much different than how we were doing business 10 years ago. I would urge everybody, if you want to succeed in 2023, 2024, 2025, adopt these technologies. You will get to more borrowers and you will get to them sooner. I strongly believe that over the next 2 or 3 years in the mortgage business, we're going to become the haves and the have-nots. And the haves are going to be the people that have adopted technology and put it to work every single day in how they originate loans. And the have-nots are going to be folks that keep doing the business the same way. I do think the have-nots are going to have to work 30% harder to make 30% less money 2 years from now or 3 years from now. And the haves will have adopted technology, put it to use on a daily basis, and their business will grow because of it. And it will grow because they're getting themselves in front of more borrowers. They're getting themselves in front of those borrowers faster and sooner in the process in a manner in which today's borrower would prefer to be communicated. So take a look at that. This industry is so great. I feel so fortunate to be in it. Even during these challenging times, we all have an opportunity to succeed. And of course, at Success Unlimited, we all feel we have the opportunity to be successful. Go out there and make it a great day. Take care, everybody.